nakikita ko sa aming komunidad na ang kabataan ay hindi masyado pinapansin. Hindi masyadong pinapakinggan yung boses namin.
I grew up in a household kasi na I wasn't able to communicate with the people around me. It affected me in a way na parang pag nakikipag-communicate ako sa iba, ako yung tama.
Alam naman natin na kabataan ngayon is prone to mga hindi magandang ginagawa.
But change was possible through the Teach Peace, Build Peace movement's expanded Peace Heroes Formation Program.
Naniniwala kami na sa pamamagitan ng programang ito, you're helping to build stronger social cohesion and lasting peace in our communities. The Peace Education Leadership Formation Course, or PLFC for Youth, in Maguindanao del Sur and Metro Manila, and the Aftercare Peace Track program are part of the expanded Peace Heroes Formation Program. The PLFC aims to empower young women from the Bangsamoro Islamic Women Auxiliary Brigade and out-of-school youth from Manila and BARM by equipping them with practical tools for peaceful conflict resolution. And it helps them safely and constructively express their concerns and resolve grievances in their communities.
Tuturuan din namin kayo kung paano ninyo i-monitor ang inyong mga emosyon.
This is a 5-day capacity building course that runs from June to July 2024, focused on community-based peace education.
So ang goal nito is to nurture a network of youth peace educators who teach peace to children and youth towards a culture of peace.
Pero nandito kayo at tumuloy kayo. You actually responded to the call.
The highlight of PELFC is the Peace Heroes Camp, which featured the Peace Education Rollout Session.
I'm so glad kasi naging part ako ng rollout session na yun and naging isa ako sa mga naging facilitator. So parang ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam na lahat ng mga natutunan mo is naibabahagi mo sa ibang tao, lalong-lalo sa mga kabataan sa komunidad ninyo.
May nagbago sa'yo. Kasi parang I was told na mas naging mindful ako with how I communicate, with how I deal with certain situations na hindi lang pala ako yung tama.
Buhatin nyo na lang ako. 3, 2, 1, go!
Based on the feedback of the parents na nakausap natin, malaki yung pagbabago with the behavior ng kanilang mga anak. Na-apply nila yung mga natutunan nila with our peace education sessions, lalong-lalo na yung sessions natin on peaceful communication.
May isa akong participant during that time from Barangay Dato Bakal. Tulad din ng senior namin kanina, sobrang ingay niya, parang walang direction sa buhay. Then after that, after 2 days na roll out natin is nabigyan natin siya ng advice, then nag-iba yung pananaw niya sa buhay.
Peace education is not only about volunteerism and advocacy, it is also about healing and rebuilding trust. From schools and communities, peace education reaches even further.
Sinusuportahan yung reintegration journey ng ating former combatants or returnees. It focuses on healing, transformation, and meaningful reintegration.
Our youth leaders were able to build trust with mentors who supported them in their journey.
The mentorship provided them with emotional safety, consistent guidance, and a sense of belonging for youth who often carried trauma or stigma or yung feeling of disconnection. And this change is also crucial because it highlights how mentorship serves as an anchor during the sensitive phase of reintegration and rehabilitation.
Kung babalikan mo ang mga sessions natin, ano ang pinaka-paborito mong ginagawa nating dalawa? Or yung talagang tumatak sa'yo?
Di ka sa puso na so kuan. Kapamilya, kay pikinudulan ako sa lakaw di sa lakaw. Detalye ng skano, ako kumapit siya.
Nandiyan talaga siya as a ate, as in active listening, with sincere advice, hindi half-hearted.
Dahil sa tiwala at suporta ng mga peace mentors natin, nagiging handa yung ating mga youth returnees na gumawa ng mga desisyong makakabuti sa kanilang buhay, yung muling pagtitiwala sa mga institutions natin, and to develop confidence to take peaceful path forward.
Today might be dark, but surely tomorrow will be brighter.
Naniniwala ako na kapag ang bawat kabataan ay ginawang way of life, sabi nga ni Ate Hane, yung salitang kapayapaan, naniniwala ako na posible mawala ang karahasan.
Ang kapayapaan na ay hindi lang siya nanggagaling sa isang tao o isang grupo. As much as we can, we try to make everyone a peace hero din.
Nai-envision ko rin na itong mga kabataan na to, no, na they are not only recipients noong or beneficiaries of the programs, peace programs na ini-implement natin, na they will become also mag-spearhead ng mga ganung mga programa na magsusulong ng kapayapaan.
Beyond policies and frameworks, the true measure of peace is found in the lives it transforms. From advocacy to healing, peace education transforms lives. Together, let us nurture peace as a way of life.
Ng kinabukasan ng bawat Pilipino.